Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to breed villagers in Minecraft. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just build a little house to keep the villagers in while they are breeding. It doesn't have to be that big. I'm just going to make it 4x4. Make it 3 blocks tall, just so they can't jump out on top of the bed. And then you want to place just a few beds down in here, depending on how many babies you want. And the size of the structure should also depend on how many babies you are planning to keep. Okay, so now that we've got the structure built, we can go and kidnap some villagers to put in it. So you obviously need 2 to breed them. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to spawn them in here. So 1, 2. As you can see from the particles, they have settled in. For breeding purposes, you don't want them escaping like this, so no doors. Okay, so after you've trapped the villagers inside the little structure, you now want to give them food after the beds are placed. And you have to give them enough to be satiated. The best thing to give them is bread, but you can also give them carrots and potatoes. So just dump all the food down on the floor, and eventually you get little love hearts that pop up, like that. And after a couple seconds, a little baby will pop out. And if they seem to not be breeding, just try making the structure larger. And then this should make them more than happy to continue breeding. As you can see, a little baby will pop out. So that is it for this video. I hope it did help. If it did, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And if you do have any troubles, please leave them in the comments below and I'll be glad to help you out. That is it from me. Peace out.